Welcome to Narayana Business School, where innovation meets intelligence and finance meets the future. Our PGDM in Quantitative Finance is a 2-year AICTE-approved program designed in collaboration with EY's Certificate in Applied Finance, Treasury and Analytics, the first of its kind in India. This program is built for the next generation of financial leaders who want to master the art of data-driven decision-making in a world powered by analytics, algorithms and AI. Here you don't just study finance, you experience it. With 14 global certifications from EY, CAFTA, CFA-aligned coursework and NISM collaboration modules, you graduate with global credentials that give you an edge in competitive markets. Talking about our program, it blends quantitative analysis, risk management, financial modeling, and algorithmic trading with hands-on learning through simulated trading, Python, MATLAB in live financial labs. Across 4 semesters, you gain deep exposure to investment banking, fintech, risk and treasury, management, and corporate financial strategy, making you career ready from day one. What makes this program truly stand apart? First, it's India's pioneering PGDM in Quantitative Finance, developed with EY CAFTA to bring you global financial practices right into your classrooms. Second, our curriculum integrates AI, analytics, and digital tools into every subject, ensuring that you lead in today's technology-driven financial world. Third, our experiential pedagogy combines case-based learning, live trading simulations, and corporate projects, linking theory to practice at every step. Fourth, you are mentored by a powerhouse team of 60 plus mentors with over 850 years of cumulative industry and teaching experience, guided by none other than Dr. Imroz Mansoori. So that's me as your program chair. Fifth, with 670 plus recruiters, 9,800 plus alumni, and 100% placement assistance, NBS gives you the launchpad to step into roles in investment banking, quantitative research, fintech, consulting, and portfolio management. And sixth, your journey is global, with international immersions, Bloomberg training, and session from international faculty shaping your global financial perspectives. By the end of this program, you will graduate not just with a PGDM, but with a portfolio of global certifications, hands-on experience, and the confidence to navigate complex financial markets with precision and vision. At Narayana Business School, the PGDM in Quantitative Finance is more than a course. It's your passport to the finance of future. For more discussions on these topics, feel free to reach out to us. Learn, lead, and transform at Narayana Business.